Hello, everybody. It is February 14th, 11 in the morning, and we're going to take a quick look at ChainLink now. I think today there's a bit of movement going on. We're seeing a bit of retracement at the moment. Our daily range was somewhere between the 32.3 and the $35.6. And we're seeing that retracement after, the past couple of days here where we had a breakout outside of this rising wedge. So we're just going to take a quick look at it, see on smaller time frames, what is it telling us? Because I think that one time where we actually tried to break above the 35 isn't enough. I think Chainlink might be able to continue to go past these prices, but if we maybe just take a look at the 4 hour here, I think we'll just zoom in and see what the price action is telling us. So we're clearly seeing that rejection at the $35 region zone, right? And it's just right away. First time we actually tried to go past it, we literally just got rejected right away, and then tried again, didn't work, and again we're just going back now and trying to find the support. I think this zone right here is going to be the support for Chainlink. This is where we should be paying attention to whether we are actually to retrace past this region and find that support, or retrace down and try to find that support at the previous boundaries of this wedge over here. So we obviously had that break above, came back to retest and shot right up. And I think here we went up, probably like 15% or something. Not even 23% within a day and a half, and it's pretty significant. So it's bound for us to have that retracement at the 35. And in terms of the RSI here, just in general, just to see why I think we might actually have another leg up, depending on this, we need to actually stay within this range here between the 32.7 and the 31.5. We need to go down here and find that support. Otherwise, we could see a continued retracement. So it's very important for us to find support right now. If we continue to retrace past that, then it's a different story, right? So we've been having those higher highs on the RSI, and we're getting to a level right now. We're technically, every time we reach, right, we actually do pump back up, and you'll see that on the 1 hour. We'll just show you in a second here. But in terms of volume, we're seeing that the volume is, we still have 2 hours to go for the 4 hour candle to close. So relatively speaking, we had these past 4 hour candles, past 8 hours that were, we're having that retracement. Now, is that enough? We need to see. Obviously, previous to that, in terms of retracement after a pump of let's see here, with 20%, we have those two candles where we're going down. So it looks like we might actually continue to push back up right now. In terms of the RSI, so we're still having those higher highs as we move. We're still in the overbought region. We're obviously getting to areas where we're kind of getting squeezed, and something major needs to happen. And typically speaking, if we're at this area here, it's more of a retracement, right? But I think we could have another leg up coming here. So the 4 hour, we're obviously also going down in MACD. So our momentum is that we're kind of losing steam as we go up. And if we go here to the 1 hour, this is what we're seeing there. We're seeing the clear rejection at the 35 over here. Boom. And as in terms of support, I think we're gonna go up. We found that, and as soon as we broke above the $32, we actually just it just propelled the price upwards. And then obviously 35 was waiting for us, and now we're going down. And now I think we should be finding that support here. So nothing crazy in terms of the analysis behind this. I think it's pretty clear where we need to sit before we actually pump back up. But I think Chainlink does have enough steam to actually continue to push upwards here and try to retest the $35 again. So also RSI in general. So maybe if we come back here, and then I'll just draw a quick zone just to show you that this, for example, here, right? So let's take the first time we were in this zone. Every time we get to this zone over here, we actually have a bit of a nice uptrend. We go up, we come down, and then again, we reach that zone over here, we pump again. Then we go up, same thing, pump. Same thing on this area. Every time we reach it, we pump. And now we're at an area where we're technically supposed to pump. So this is just mainly based on historical data from all the way up to, like not even like 5 days ago. So that's what we need to see. We need to see the support at the between the 32.7 and the 31.5. And if we don't see that, then I think a retracement back to this area over here, this is more of a better support in general, but I think this most likely could be enough for us to actually continue to trend back upwards. So yeah, I think we do have those nice signs of us actually going back up. We're seeing that the momentum that we're having in terms of the buying power, of the selling power, is actually kind of decreasing, and we should be we're having that crossover obviously on the weighted MACD. So good signs, right? Something to keep an eye out for. We definitely need to keep a close eye on it. Don't just jump into this and expect the best. We need there's what we think for the moment, but things could change, right? So we try to anticipate the market and react to it at the proper time, right? Not just predict it. You don't predict it. You just see that this is the most likely scenario. I'm having these signs over here where I previously have an uptrend every time I hit it. I'm seeing that momentum is time that is going up, but everything can go the opposite way, right? So that's what you do. You enter, you anticipate, then you react to it in a timely manner, as opposed to predicting something and just not looking at it again, right? So just something to keep in mind. Thank you for watching. Let me know if I missed anything in the price action. And if you like this content, please like, share, subscribe. And if you'd like to support us on Patreon, then make sure you check the link in the description below. Thank you for watching.